Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a mystery box, and this is a mystery box from Juvia's Place. I am so excited to see what is in here. Juvia's Place offered these mystery boxes for Black Friday. They were $35 each, and you guys know I just love to get mystery boxes and unbox them for you guys. I'm always curious to see what I get, and Juvia's Place is a brand that I don't own a ton from, so I have a feeling we might get some really good stuff in here and hopefully no duplicates. I really don't own a lot from them. I do have like their little mini palettes, and I just bought their brand new Wahala 2, I think it's called, palette, which is stunning, by the way. I bought a lipstick from them and a lip liner recently, which I've been loving. So I've just been all around very obsessed with their products. They make amazing products and they always run amazing sales. So I definitely took advantage and ordered this mystery box. I don't know if everyone's getting the same thing in these, but I haven't looked at any spoilers, any sneak peeks, and I don't even remember what the description said on the website of what products could be in here. But let's go ahead and see what we got. Ooh, okay, so they kind of just like stuffed everything in here. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. There's no like super cute packaging or anything like that, but that's fine. And then let's see what we got. Alright, so first up we have here, this is one of their, the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balms. I have not tried these. I don't know if these might be actually new from them. Like I mentioned, I recently bought a lipstick and a lip liner from them, so I'm really loving their lip products. And I got the passion fruit one. This is what it kind of looks like. It's a bright purple, and then you have the lip balm. That smells amazing. Super fruity. Let's see if this will have a tint. Oh yeah, so it tints like a light pink. So I'm totally new to this product from them, so I'm not sure if all of their lip balms are like the same color. Maybe they have different flavors. I have no clue, so you guys can let me know down below. But so far, I've been just really loving a good lip balm lately with a little bit of color, so I'm pleased with that. All right, next, it looks like we got a lipstick from them. The Velvety Matte Lipsticks, and I got the shade Rouge. Let's see, I'm guessing this is a burgundy from the packaging. So this is what it looks like. It has really pretty ombre packaging. Ew, this is actually a really nice color. I was hoping it wasn't like a true red because I just got one of those recently from a different brand. So this is a nice deep burgundy shade. And the formula of these is incredible. So yeah, that's like a nice wine color. I'm pleased with that as well. I've been loving getting more dark lips lately because I really don't have a ton in my collection, and I love a good matte formula that's a dark lip. Okay, next, let's see. This is the Heroin Loose Highlighter. A little bit nervous about this, whatever color this may be. Ooh, I think we got a good one. Ooh, I'm excited. Usually I get highlighters that are like way too dark for me, but I think that this one will work well. I think this would work for many different skin tones actually. So that one's called the Heroin, and I've never tried their highlighting powder, so this is really cool. So I'm not always the biggest fan of loose highlighters. I feel like they're a bit messy, but let's see what this is gonna look like. Ooh, yes, I got like the perfect color. It's a light champagne-y gold. Really excited about that. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now, I do see a repeat item in my box that I do own already. It's the Taupes by Juvia's Place. This one, it's a palette I didn't love that I tried from them. And this one just seemed very light in pigmentation. So I'll go ahead and just, I don't want to open it since it's sealed, but I have a couple videos showing this. It's like a few gray tones, very cool tone, a little mini palette with 6 pans. I'll actually insert a photo for you guys so you guys can see it on the video. But yeah, it wasn't my favorite. I like the more colorful ones a little more. But since I do have a duplicate, I'm probably just going to put this in one of my holiday giveaways because I do have a lot of giveaways going on. Every Sunday I have a big one. And then we got another palette in here. So we got a big one. And this is the Magic Mini, it's called. It actually looks pretty big for being a mini. So yeah, I definitely do not have this. Let's see what we got. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that, you guys. a lot of different shades going on here. It says that this magic palette was inspired by the moon and sun, goddesses of the wilds, a beautiful fusion of cool and warm tones, vibrantly infused with 16 ultra pressed pigments, perfect for day to nighttime looks. I'll go ahead and insert a photo for you guys, but yeah, there is some pressed pigments in here, so these are going to be so stunning. There isn't a lot of mattes. I will say it looks like there's like 4 neutral mattes and then 2 blue mattes in here, but I'm very intrigued of trying this out. It looks really beautiful. Love the color scheme here. I think I could get a lot of looks out of this, and I'm so happy to get a bigger Juvia's Place palette to help me try out the brand a bit more, since I really don't own a whole lot from them. So I'm very pleased with that, and that is everything I got in my mystery box. I did just get 1 duplicate, but even with that, I'm still happy with everything because I got a pretty great discount on this. I'll add everything up and insert the total here. Once again, I paid $35 for this box, but I'm pleased. I love the lipstick color. I love the lip balm. It seems like it's getting a little bit darker as time goes on. The highlight is perfection, and the big palette, I'm really happy with this. So I would definitely buy another one of these if I see one again. And let me know if you guys have any favorite things from Juvia's Place, because I'm definitely trying more of their products. So I'll go ahead and do a fun, probably Instagram video trying out like a bunch of their stuff in the video, because I definitely want to do a video with that new Wahala 2 palette. I should have a video on Instagram as well of this makeup look if you're wondering what I have on my face now. I'm actually wearing most of the Pure Barbie collection, which I do have also a YouTube video of that coming soon too. So I think that's all I wanted to go over in this video. Just a little bit of a shorter video today, fun unboxing. I have another unboxing coming as well, I think, which is Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know which one I'm doing first. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.